and brown one, and that one next door to it. They are fully grown. They're babies of Mr. Bantam. See the little black and ginger one. See Bobby's pigeons. He's got babies in there too. See those little babies again. Bobby's doing alterations here. Oh, she's got 4 of them. Ah, we got that particular chicken when she was just a little baby from the Mennonites. They make lovely little mothers. And these ones here, they're getting a bit clucky there too. Little mummy there, she's been sitting on there for ages. But that's our little mummy. Okay, goodbye. Now I've got to turn this thing off.